Still keep it real, still treat you like I should. What's up?
On my mind, I pass my bedtime, no rest the kingdom. Alone in my place, my heart is away. All that I
Valentine, woo, woo, woo. Yeah, 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 yeah.
God. You can't go forward.
Take a
Take
lollipop.
one. Yes, sir.
What up here? Up here, pick it up a lollipop. Take it up here. Come on, bro.
Come, Imperial, come.
Tishon.
Thank you. Oh, that's
Thank you.
Put it in your purse.
Put it in your purse.
Put it in your purse. Oh, look there, look there. Donna, there, boo. Oh, nice.
Thank you, baby.
No. Thank you. Ariel, wait. Ariel. Ariel's not afraid. Tishon, no, it's not yours. Her own. Yes, you get lollipop.
Sun is hot.
Oh my God. You get lollipop. Right on my side. Careful. Yes.
Look, candy.
Let's see. Gabriel, look, Gabriel.
Princess.
Candy more. Oh my gosh, that's too much. Oh my God.
I'm trying to get those
That's nothing. Oh my God.
I'm trying to get those motos together.
She should not even try.
No.
What happened? Oh my God.
Wave up here, put it in your bag. Put it in your bag.
Dog. Oh my. the car show.
From the car show?
Yeah. Because it was early this morning.
Very good Mexican daddy got some money. Girl out there, right? What about money? Spider-Man, so got the old school.
Tishan, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man! Spider-Man! See Spider-Man? Get it.
Oh my god.
Like a necklace.
Yeah.
I wish I had the big umbrella. Oh yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Misha get a necklace. Good job, Papa. Get a necklace.
Remember, look, they dancing. Oh my god.
Look, Candy. Candy is here. Thank you. Get stuff in front of this.
He's too close. I think he's too close to them. They can kick him. Look at that one food. Everybody, you see her? You can look at the horse.
That's nice.
I like the way how they're food. Yeah, see how that one they walking.
Yeah. Yeah. saying, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, y'all, so as y'all seen, we just came from the parade. So now, come to Sean, give me a hand. So now Emperor, hold your daddy on.
Hey, baby.
So now we are going to the park to get some food and show y'all what they have over there. Sean, I have to hold your hand. So we have to walk. We packed and now we're walking. Sean, stop, you have to hold my hand. Hold umbrella hand. Oh my goodness. Yeah. No, I say they're full. And full. Wait. Oh, sorry. It's okay. Sorry, rice. I think maybe take. They have lamb on it. That is nice. Lamb and curry, teriyaki, garlic parmesan. And maybe take the garlic parmesan. So I guess we'll have to go there. And there's shawarma. Shawarma. I don't want that. I never want I know that. Okay, so we got a burrito bowl, and that was nasty. That was shit. Bachi.
That shit was garbage. Ass. I throw that shit in the trash.
0 out of 10. Yeah. Oh, I'm too early to the boy. Tell me to hold on. You got this. Emperor, come.
Baby, I love you like I love country. You give me perfect tool, I perfect love, baby.
address is G.
Hold on. Why agree?
Something pussy, let's go.
I agree. Hey y'all, so we are at the airport. They're going to have an air show, so we're gonna watch it. And then Tish wants to go and take a helicopter ride.
Misha is scared.
I'm not scared. So I know we said that we were going to take the helicopter ride. It was $50 per person, and we did not get to do it because we had to wait after the air show, and it was just too hot. Tishon was not having it, did not stay until the end of the air show for us to get a ride, but hopefully another time we will be able to do that. It was just too hot on that day, like really, really hot.
Direction. Out of Skydive Spaceland, the Airplanes Airport in Lewiston, one of the longest running skydiving businesses in Florida,
Yes,
jumping today with the American flag, is Joe Miranda. Skydiving since 1989 with over 16,000 skydives.
Where?
Look to show center, ladies and gentlemen, as smoke has been deployed. Jumping smoke today is Francisco Neri, skydiving since 1995. With over 14,000 skydives, he holds numerous records and is a former member.
Where? Oh yeah.
See him? Yeah. There's a man. Look, he's coming.
Not looking so scary.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise as you are able as we get ready to pay honor to our country. Singing the national anthem today, she is a three-sport athlete and FFA officer at Labelle High School. She is your 2024 Swamp Cabbage Princess. Ladies and gentlemen, the national anthem.
Also, not how you have to.
Through the perilous fight, o'er the rampart we watched, were so gallant, bursting air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
This is not black activities. I haven't seen my
Excellent radio on the photocast in the SNJ.
yeah, umbrella looking quick up here. Okay, y'all, so I'm just here editing the video and I just realized that I didn't tell y'all certain things. So I'm just coming in right now to just give a recap and to just give some extra information. So I'm still recovering from the Swamp Cabbage Parade, not parade, Swamp Cabbage Festival because it was a lot of walking. We had to pack all the way like up and then we had to walk. Then we had to walk back. We had to walk through the park. So it was a lot of walking and I was tired. Like we were tired. Then on top of that, the sun was hot. So you already know like you have to be drinking water, making sure you're hydrated all day long. But so the parade, it was free, and then you all seen that they were giving the kids candy, so that was a good thing. Then when we went to the park, they had a lot of vendors, they had a lot of stalls, like they had different things. You could buy clothes, like there were a lot of things that you could buy. The food, however, was very expensive. It was really expensive. The y'all seen the burrito bowls that we buy. I don't know. The last time when we went to a restaurant, we bought a burrito bowl and it wasn't like wrapped. So I don't know if I asked for the wrong thing, but we went to a restaurant when we got married and we got a burrito bowl each and it was rice. There was no wrap or anything. And then this one, they gave us a wrap. So I don't know, but I did not like it. Like I really did not enjoy it. It had taste. I would give it like a 3 out of 10, but overall, it was not good. Like, I got a whole garlic in my rice. I don't know why, but yeah, I didn't enjoy it. I only ate the shrimp and a little bit of the rice. The rice was really soft. I didn't like it. I don't like soft rice like that. Like, it was just too soft. So we got it like the total price was $72 for the two burrito bowls, and then we got juice. I wasn't sure how much the juice was. I thought it was like real passion fruit juice. It was tasting like it was like tang. So I was like, really, like, why would you sell us juice you made from a like you made from tang, or like, like processed juice? Like that's not real juice. Because my whole thing is I thought it was real juice, like from the fruit. So yeah, like I really did not enjoy the food that we bought, and I feel like it was not worth the price that they charged us. It was like $72 for the two juices and the two bowls that we got. So that was not good. And then we met a friend there, and then she was telling us like she bought, I think, three chicken tenders and some fries, and it was like $25. So overall, the price of the food there was very expensive. Then we went to the bouncy house to try to get the kids to jump. It was $20 per child. So if Imperial and Tishan had to jump, that would be $40. I was not having it. I don't care. That's too much money. It could have been $10. It could have been 15. At least $15, not $20. That's too much. So after that, we went to the air show, and y'all seen We did not stay until the end because it was just too hot. I don't know how those people were sitting on under the hot sun, no umbrella, like the humidity, like I just couldn't do it. Y'all know I don't like to feel hot. My hair was on fixing because I had straightened my hair, and because of the humidity my head was sweating, so my hair was on fix. I was having a bad hair day. Like it was just not it. So yeah, that was the Swamp Cabbage Festival that we went to. If you guys want to try experience it, you can go. It's in Labelle. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.